Happy morning, children. Today discuss about second chapter linear equations in one variable. Already in 7th class we learn linear equations. First of all, algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions to form with variable using one mathematical operations plus minus into division. Okay, for example 2x plus 1. Here two terms are there. 2x is a one of the term and 1 is a one of the term. So here x is the variable. So this is variable term, this is constant term. Both two terms are separated by plus. This is the mathematical operation. So each and every algebraic expression to form one mathematical operations and variable and constant term. Okay. So next algebraic equation. In a algebraic expression we have to equality sign, then that is called algebraic equation. 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Here equality sign is there. So this is a one of the algebraic equation. 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Here also two terms are there. This is variable term, this is the constant term. Okay. Next linear equation or simple equation means the variable or degree of an equation is 1. Degree of an equation is 1. Then it is called linear equation. From this example, the power is 1. The variable power is 1. So then it is called linear equation. The algebraic equation we have to only degree is 1. Then it is called linear equation. Linear or simple equation. Simple equation. In this equation we have two terms, two parts are there. This is first part, this is second part. This is LHS. Next right side RHS. Two parts are there. Left side is the LHS part, right side is the RHS part. Okay, in this equation, transposing to each and every term in a equation to the next other side, quantities will be changed. For example, plus quantity, plus quantity, plus quantity becomes minus quantity. Plus quantity becomes minus quantity. Next, in a linear equation, each and every term transpose into one side of the equation to the other side, the quantities will be changed. Plus quantity will be becomes negative quantity. Next, negative or minus quantity becomes plus quantity. Next, multiply quantity will be changed into the division quantity. Division quantity will be changed into the into. Division quantity becomes multiply. So each and every term transpose into one side of the equation to the other side, quantities will be changed. Plus quantity becomes minus quantity, minus quantity becomes plus quantity, into or multiply quantity becomes division quantity. Next to division quantity becomes multiply. Okay. Next point, the solution of the given linear equation. So solutions mean the value which is substituted for variable in the given equation to make LHS equals to RHS. You will get LHS equals to RHS. Then it is called solution of the given equation. For example, here 2m equal to 12. In this linear equation, if m equal to 6, if m equal to 6, so first of all we can check LHS part. 2 into m, that equals to 2 into 6. So the value of LHS equals to 12. Next RHS also 12. So LHS and RHS to make both are equal. So here m equal to 6. 6 is a solution of the given linear equation. Okay. Next, linear equation in only one variable. That means here 2m plus 1 equal to 0. Here we have to only one variable are there, that is m. Then it is called linear equation in one variable. Here m is a only one variable. So in this equation we have to variable power is 1. So this is a linear equation in one variable. Okay. 2m plus 1 that equal to 0. This is the linear equation in one variable. Variable is m. So next exercise first problem. Solve the following simple equations. So first problem 6m equal to 12. 6m equal to 12. Here 6 is transposed into right side. So here multiply becomes division. So 12 divided by 6. 6 ones, 6 twos. So here m equal to 2. 2 is a solution of the given equation. Okay. So once check here LHS part and to make LHS part equal to RHS part, then given value is a solution of the given equation. So first of all LHS part is 6m. 6 into m value 2, that equal to 6 2's 12. Next RHS also we have 12. So LHS equal to RHS. Then given equation solution is 2. Okay. This is the solution of the given equation. Next third problem, minus 5y equal to 30. Okay. Here also minus 5 is multiply and transposing to right side, that is will be becomes division. So 30 divided by minus 5. Okay. 5 ones 5 6. So y equal to minus 6. So solution of the given equation is minus 6. Solution of given equation is minus 6. Okay. This is the third problem. Next problem, sixth one, n by 7 equal to minus 3. So here 7 is a division transpose into right side, that is becomes multiply. N equals to minus 3 into 7. N equal to minus into plus, minus 3 7 the 21. So therefore n equals to minus 21. The solution of the given equation is minus 21. Next seventh problem, 2x by 3 equal to 18. Here 3 is the division. 3 is transposing to right side. The value becomes multiply. So 2x equal to 18 into 3. So 2x equal to 18 3 is 54. Next x equal to, here 2 is the multiplication. Transpose to right side. that is division. So 54 by 2. 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 sevens. Therefore x equal to 27. The solution of the given equation is 27. Okay. Next 14th problem. 8x plus 5 by 2 equal to 13. Here first of all transpose into constant term right side. Transpose into to the right side of the given equation. So 8x plus 5 by 2 transpose into right side minus 5 by 2. 13 minus 5 by 2. Okay. Here 8x LCM is 2. 2 13s 26 minus 1 into 5 5. Okay. So 8x equal 26 minus 5 equal to 21 by 2. Here also 8 is a multiplication. So transpose into right side, that is becomes division. So x equals to 21 by 2 into 8. So x is equal to 21 by 16. So 21 by 16 is the solution of given equation. Okay. Now next problem, that is 16th. X plus 4 by 3 equal to 3 whole 1 by 2. So first of all constant value transposing to right side. So this is mixed fraction, change into the decimal fraction form. 3 2 3 is the 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Here 4 by 3 is the addition, transposing to right side becomes subtraction. So x equals to 7 by 2 minus 4 by 3. Okay. Here LCM is 6. 6 3 into 7 21 minus 4 into 2 8. So x equals to 21 minus 8 13 by 6. The solution of the given equation is 13 by 6. Next second exercise, that is first problem. Find the x in the following figures. So here in a triangle, three interior angles and one exterior angle. The properties of triangle: sum of any two interior angles equals to opposite exterior angles. So in a triangle, exterior angles is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So x plus 56 is equal to 123. Okay. So in a triangle, exterior angle equals to exterior angle equal to the sum of opposite its interior angles. Okay. In a triangle, sum of two interior angles equals to opposite exterior angles. Okay. In a triangle, exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. Here exterior angle is 123. So first of all, angle B plus angle A equal to angle ACD. Exterior angles equals to sum of two interior angles. So the value of angle B here x. Next to the value of angle A 56, angle of ACD 123 degrees. Okay. 56 is the addition, transposing to right side becomes subtraction. 123 degrees minus 56. Okay. Here 123 minus 56, 7 11 minus 5, that equals to 6. Okay, so x equals to 67. So 67 plus 56 equals to 123. Finally, the exterior angle is equals to sum of the two opposite interior angles. Therefore x equals to 67 degrees. Now next problem. In a triangle PQR, angle P equal to 45 degrees, angle R equal to 68 degrees, angle Q equal to 3x plus 16. Find the x value. Okay. In a triangle, sum of three angles equals to 180 degrees. Already this is one of the property of triangle. In a triangle, sum of three interior angles. Sum of three interior angles equal to 180 degrees. Okay. In a triangle, sum of three interior angles equals to 180 degrees. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degrees. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degrees. Angle P value is 45 degrees. Next angle Q 3x plus 16. Next angle R 68 degrees. First of all, we can add constant value. 45 plus 68, 113. So 3x plus 16 plus 45 plus 68. So 113, that equals to 180 degrees. 16 plus 130, 3x plus 16 plus 113, 129 equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so 3x 129 transpose into right side, that is addition change into the subtraction. 129, that equals to 129, 180 minus 129, 1 here, 7 minus 2, 5, so 51. 3x equal to 51. So x equal to 51 by 3. 3 ones, 3 ones, 3 sevens. So therefore x equal to 17. Okay. Next, third problem. In a triangle ABC, angle A 25 degrees, angle B 60 degrees, angle C 30 degrees. Sum of three angles equals to 180 degrees. In a triangle, sum of three interior angles. Sum of three interior angles equal to 180 degrees. In a triangle, sum of three interior angles equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Here angle A value 25 degrees. Next angle B x degrees. Angle C 30 degrees. That equal to 180. So we have two constant terms. 25 plus 30, that equals to 55. X degrees plus 55 degrees, that equal to 180 degrees. 55 is addition, transpose into right side becomes subtraction. X degrees equal to 180 minus 55 degrees. Okay, x degrees equal to 180 minus 55 equal to 125 degrees. So x equals to 125 degrees. So therefore angle B equal to x equal to 125 degrees. Okay. End of this class. Thank you, children.